Say hello to posh, yet convenient student living at Rise at State College and experience uni magic. Choose from cozy studios and charming 2 to 5 bedroom apartments offering a comfy bed for restful nights, a dishwasher for easy cleanups, and in-unit laundry facilities for convenience. Sweat it out in the power-packed gym, then get hustling in the shared workspaces. When you're done, avail the virtual reality room and game lounge for unparalleled fun with flatmates. Also, you don't have to stress about Wi-Fi and electricity bills because they're already included in your rent. With secure parking for your wheels, 24/7 emergency services, and video surveillance, life here will be a breeze. The Pennsylvania State University and the Rise at State College are in close proximity, so just a sweet stroll will get you there on time. With buses from E Beaver Avenue at Calder Commons and the Tyrone Station, transit is seamless. So, unlock an unforgettable university experience at Rise at State College via amberstudent.com today.